Here are the directions for Topic 12, Lesson 2. We already did the front together, and we were discussing unit, fractions, and regions. So with guided practice today, it says, write how many green parts are there. Write how many equal parts there are. Write the fraction. So number 1 has been done for you. Number 1 says how many parts are green, and they filled in 1. How many equal parts are there? 2. There's 1, 2 equal parts. How much of the triangle is shaded? You would say 1/2 of the triangle is green, is shaded green. So let's look at number 2. How many parts are green? 1 part is green. How many equal parts are there? There's 1, 2, 3 equal parts, so I'll put a 3 here. So how much of the rectangle is green? We would say 1/3, and that's exactly how you would write it. Number 3, how many parts of the triangle are green? 1 part is green. How many equal parts are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts, so our fraction would be 1/4 of the triangle is green. Okay, let's take a look at, do you understand? Okay, it says, Ahmed ate 1/4 of his sandwich. How many pieces did he eat? Okay, so let's draw a picture just to make sure we understand. Here's my sandwich, and if I am going to divide it into 4 pieces, because that's what it says here, 4 pieces, okay? 4 equal pieces, and he ate 1/4 of the sandwich, then I could color 1 part of the sandwich because that is 1/4. How much did he eat? Well, you would say Ahmed ate 1 of the 4 pieces. That is how much Ahmed ate. So let's just review that one more time. Ahmed ate 1/4 of his sandwich. How many pieces did he eat? What I did is I drew a picture of the sandwich. I divided it into 4 equal parts. I shaded 1 part of the 4 pieces blue, and then that determined how many pieces Ahmed ate, which was 1 piece of the 4 pieces. Okay? All right, let's take a look at the page. Independent practice. It says, write the fraction for the shaded part of the shape. So I'm going to do number 4 with you, and then I would like you to try number 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay? So for number 4, it says write the fraction of the part that is shaded. So look up here at the top in our VLB, there's a fraction. How much of the part is shaded? Well, 1 part is shaded. Your line is going to be out of how many total parts? There's 2 parts, so your fraction would be 1/2. So with number 5, you will write down how many parts are shaded out of how many total parts. Okay? Same for number 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, let's take a look at algebra at the bottom. It says, look at the pattern. What number belongs in the box? Well, they have 1/2, 1/4, 1/6. What would be next? And I'd like you to think about that, of what would be next, and fill in your answer there. When you're ready, please move to the back. On the back, it says, draw a picture to solve. Alex cuts an orange into 6 equal parts. He eats 1 part. What fraction of the orange does Alex eat? Alex eats blank of the orange. Okay, so what you're going to have to do is draw your orange, okay, and then you'll have to divide it into 6 equal parts, okay? And as you can see, my orange that I have here is not into 6 equal parts. So I would erase it and try it again. Okay? So try it again. Here's your orange. Think about how you would divide that orange into 6 equal parts. I would like you to try that one on your own and then write down the fraction of what Alex eats of the orange, okay? Number 12. Nina cut a pear into 2 equal parts. She ate 1 part of the pear. What fraction of the pear did Nina eat? 1/6, 1/4, 1/3, or 1/2? Number 13 for journal says, write a story about 1 part of 5 equal parts. Then write the fraction for that part. So what they want you to do is, you could make up a story about using 1 part of 5 equal parts, or if you would like to draw a picture of what 1 part looks like shaded out of 5 equal parts, that would be fine too, and then write your fraction here. Okay? So either way would be fine if you wrote a story about 1 part of 5 equal parts, or if you want to draw a picture and show me 1 part shaded out of 5 equal parts and then write the fraction. That would be fine too. When you are finished, please place it on the yellow table and I will look it over to make sure you answered all the questions, and please make sure your name is on it. Then I would like you to go to Seesaw and reflect on what you learned today. If you need any help with remembering how to reflect on what you learned today, please see me and I'll be glad to help you, okay? And then of course, when you're done reflecting, please upload it to Seesaw and put it in the math folder so I can listen to what you've learned, okay? All right, thank you.